I held the button.
You held the button.
Said she wanna roll with me and smoke up all my weed. I said,
No.
got that cheese cause you can't smoke for free. I got some love but no money, babe, buy me a Fiji.
Bitch, please.
She said you need a job, bitch, fuck a job, I scared the chick.
Oh my gosh, you brought me dinner? That's really nice.
No, it's not dinner.
It's not dinner.
Why are we still here?
Call?
Yeah, you brought me dinner? That's really
No.
nice.
Just to suffer
It's definitely not dinner.
every night. I can feel my leg.
We were hoping you could take a look at it for us.
Well, I was hoping that someone was going to bring me dinner. Now is not the time for a rat autopsy, so get
Why are we still here?
out.
Okay, all right.
Get on your knees, bitch. Get on your f***ing knees right now.
Is that a real gun?
Get on your f***ing knees. Get on your knees.
Is this from Spring Breakers?
Remember that prank you did the other day? You switched my shoes with the stunt double shoes?
Yeah.
F you for that. It's payback, bitch.
Okay, so this is, you're gonna scare me with a fake gun and then...
How does it feel now? Huh? How does it feel now? Right in that cute little ass you got. It's fun.
Yeah! Those dirty rats! They're ruining everything! There must be some way to get rid of them! Ah! Kill them with poison!
Shut up, bitch! Not interested. You go. This isn't my problem. It's just rats.
Why are we still here? Just to suffer?
I'm done with mysterious animal situations. I want mysterious men. French ones. French ones.
This is also where Scott showered with Malia.
Oh ma douce souffrance, pourquoi s'acharner, tu recommences. Je ne suis qu'un être sans importance. Sans lui, je suis un peu paro.
I freaked out and just went, hey, and then she said yes.
And she said, yeah.
I kind of told Lydia that I miss her and I can't wait to get home, but...
It's fun.
Trificus totalis.
Put it in the stocking summer, or I'm joining Facebook.
Another rocket shot! Turn down for what? Turn down for what?
Go home, bitch. In case you haven't noticed, I'm weird. I'm a weirdo. I don't fit in, and I don't want to fit in. Malia.
It's every day, bro. Disney Channel flow. 5 mil on YouTube in 6 months.
That guy up there, what's he wanted for?
Murder.
It's, Sorry, just what kind of murder exactly?
Mass murder.
Dab on them haters, dab on them haters, dab on them.